If you have back pain, massage guns can be incredibly helpful tools. But the big problem is it's sometimes hard to reach the right areas by yourself, and even if you can reach them, it's difficult to get the appropriate amount of pressure. In this video, I'll show you a few solutions to help you use a massage gun for both upper and lower back pain by yourself, plus give you a few various alternatives. Now note that all of the products in this video I have received for free from various brands, but this isn't a sponsored video. These are actually my own opinions. I'll put links to all of these down in the description below. Note those are Amazon affiliate links, which means I'll earn a small commission at no extra cost for you. That just helps support the channel so I can continue providing you with videos to stay active, mobile, and healthy. And note, if you are new to the channel, I have over 1,000 different videos on the channel. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and check out my other videos. So let's dive in. These are two of my favorite massage guns. I do have a lot of them. This one is the Bob & Brad X6 Pro Max. And the thing that I really like about this one is this metal head. It gets really deep into your muscle tissues, especially in the legs where you have bigger muscles. So overall, this probably is my favorite massage gun, but it is kind of hard to reach areas on your back with it. Another thing that I do like about this one is it has a heated head, which also feels really good on your lower back if you can get to the right area. The other one that I like is the Kika Evo. And the reason that I really like this one is because you can actually reach some of the sore areas by yourself. It has an extendable handle and a head that hooks around like that. So we can turn it on, and it's really good for upper back, shoulder blade pain areas like that. I like to use this trigger point attachment, although it does have other ones as well. It's not as great for the lower back, although you can still get to the right areas, but it's difficult to get the right amount of pressure. But overall, if you're using the massage gun primarily for back pain and you don't want to get anything else other than a massage gun, this is probably the one that I would go for. If you're going to be using it for a lot of different areas, like I said, the Bob & Brad one is probably my favorite massage gun overall. This device is called a Q-mount. It holds your massage gun for you, so you can just stand with your back up against it. I thought this was a pretty genius idea. And note, you do have to wall mount it, so you can see I'm in my basement here. You probably don't want this in the middle of your living room. I'll show you how it works first and then show you a couple different features of it. But you turn it on like this. Note, this is going to be a little loud because of where I have it mounted. But you stand up against it like this. You do want to use it in your soft tissues, your muscles. You don't want to use a massage gun directly over your spine unless you use a specific spinal attachment, which I'll show you in a moment. But you can move around on here and get right to the areas where you need it without having to put your arms in an awkward position. I'm going to shut this off for a moment. You can adjust a clamp here and adjust this to various different heights. Each one of these little things here is 1 foot long, and you can buy additional ones if you need it. It also removes, so if you are mounting these, you don't have the whole thing just taking up space on your wall. You only have the little slots here. To put it back on, you just put it on like this, tighten the clamp, and now you can use it on your upper back as well. I'm going to move it back down to the lower back and put on the spinal attachment to show you how to use that. The metal head on this one just twists out like that. I'll replace that with a fork attachment like this. Most massage guns come with something like this, but essentially you're going to put the spinous process, the part that sticks out in your spine in this gap here, and then these two little heads will massage the muscles on either side of your spine. So you want to make sure that that fork is going horizontal, and then you turn the massage gun back on. And now you're going to position your spine right in the middle of that area there. I'd start out with a low pressure just to make sure that you're on the right spot. And then once you've found that you're on the right spot and you're not actually hitting your spine, you're hitting the muscles on either side, then just apply as much pressure as you feel comfortable going. And again, you can adjust that up or down to any height that you want to use it on your upper back or lower back. Now, another alternative would be to use a shiatsu neck and back massager. These are devices that have rotating massage heads. They feel more like a professional massage where someone's kind of kneading your tissues. The advantages of them are you can just kind of sit back and relax. You don't have to hold a massage gun. On this chair type device, the heads actually go up and down your back and get into your neck. So it can cover a wider area without you having to worry about moving the massage gun. The disadvantages are you do have to buy separate devices. You can't use these on, say, your legs, your arms, like you would be able to with a massage gun. So they are specific to neck and back pain. Now, this one is a chair massager. It's a little bit bigger and bulkier, so it does take up a little bit of additional space. This one is a smaller device. Both of these are by the brand Comfier, and I do have other shiatsu massagers. These are just the ones that I like the best. This one is a little more portable. You can put it over your shoulders like this and dig into areas in your neck and shoulder blades. You can put it around this way and get into your mid back, or put it down this way and lean back into it to get into your lower back. This one also does come with a car charger. You do have to stay plugged in, but you can take it with you on the road if that's a concern for you. So hopefully you found this video helpful to massage your own back without having to get someone else to rub your shoulders or hold a massage gun for you. If you would like to check out these various products, I'll put links down in the description below. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to give it a like. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you get notified of my future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.